The Nigerian government has expanded its military capabilities by procuring 43 Bayraktar TB2 drones to address security challenges in the northwest region. Brigadier General Uji Ojalika, commander of the Nigerian Army Space Command, announced the development on Tuesday during a ceremony to recognize 46 personnel trained in the operation and maintenance of the drones, Punch newspaper reports. This initiative, known as Project Guardian, is designed to enhance military operations against insurgency and organized crime. A specialized training program held in Turkey between May and September 2022 prepared 35 officers and 11 soldiers in piloting, mission operations, avionics, and drone maintenance. Among the trained personnel, 14 are multi-piloted aircraft pilots, 7 are mission operators, and 23 are engineers and technicians. 22 of them were officially certified at the ceremony, with the others already deployed for active duty. Lieutenant General Olufemi Al-Yayid, Chief of Army Staff, emphasized the importance of these drones in modernizing the Army's arsenal. He also announced plans to procure additional unmanned aerial systems to enhance military operations across Nigeria. The Bayraktar TB2 drones, equipped with surveillance and strike capabilities, are expected to significantly improve the Army's ability to address insurgency and banditry in the region. Please subscribe the channel if the information is useful. Thanks for watching.